Hello guys, good morning. Good afternoon na pala guys, or midday na dito sa amin. And I'm going to cook spaghetti with a salmon and cooking cream. So, parang ang labas niya guys is carbonara. So, we are going to cook carbonara with a salmon. The ingredients we need spaghetti. Kung malaki guys ang onion nyo, just half of onion. And then salmon of course. And this cooking cream. So what are we going to do is, let's pan fried. Ito guys, lutuin natin siya. And then, we are going to debone. Yung meat niya lang ang kunin natin guys. Okay? Okay guys, so nakasalang na ang ating tubig para sa ating spaghetti. Okay guys, so mainit na ang ating kawali. So let's put a little bit of olive oil. So ito lang guys ang ating ilagay. Bale 5 slices of a salmon. Ang gaganda, 'di ba? Looks so delicious. So ganyan lang guys. So, luto na ang ating salmon. Kunin na natin mga sis. Ganyan lang. Okay guys, so let's debone these salmon. And let's take out the skin also guys. Ang meat niya lang ang kunin natin guys. So our water is boiling na guys. Let's put the spaghetti. Ganito daw guys ang pagbukas. So, bali 3/4 lang guys ang ilagay ko. Yes. So, let's put everything guys. And let's cook it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 9 to 10 minutes. So guys, nandito na ang ating salmon and I already cut our half onion. And now let's heat the pan. So, gamitin natin guys yung pinagprituhan natin ng salmon kanina. So guys, let's add a little bit of olive oil. Ganyan lang guys. So our frying pan and the oil is already hot. So let's put the onion. Lutuin natin siya guys hanggang translucent. Lakota, the kids, they like to eat the spaghetti guys. And so, Hailey. And now guys, luto na siya. Let's add in na the salmon. May ano siya guys, buto. And now guys, we're going to put our cream guys. This is 500 ml and our pasta is also 500 grams. So let's throw in. And let's add salt. So let's reduce a little bit and then we will add in the pasta. Okay guys, so medyo creamy na siya and now we are going to add in our pasta. Okay guys, so luto na. Okay na guys, okay na. Yes. Let's turn it off the fire. Luto na ang ating carbonara with salmon guys. Yan. And so yummy. Ang sarap talaga guys. So i-cover natin muna guys. And we set it for 5 minutes and then kain na tayo. So guys, kain na tayo. Let's eat everyone. This is my carbonara salmon. Looks so delicious. Kain na tayo.